And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look once again at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold, start with preparation movement, and we dance a running spin turn, and continue with natural twist turn ending to promenade position. From here we dance first bar of weave from promenade position. We continue with syncopated side cross. And now hover walks in promenade position. And from here we dance hover Corte from promenade position, and it lasts 2 bars. Very good. Let's look once again. This time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold and start preparation movement. Man is facing diagonally to wall. In same direction we start natural turn first 3 steps. Then down line of dance we continue with running spin turn. Here at the corner we dance twist turn, which we finish ready to move diagonally to center with weave from promenade position. We continue diagonally to center with syncopated side cross. Now down line of dance with hover walks, and down line of dance we start hover Corte from promenade position. And we finish with movement against line of dance. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.